back to the channel. Today is Sunday and I'm going to be making us a Sunday dinner. And I'm going to share with y'all how we make our southern fried cabbage and onions with sausages. And we're going to make a broccoli casserole. So y'all come on and join us in the kitchen and let's cook ourselves a fancy, on a budget Sunday dinner. You can still eat good and try to stay on your budget and feed your family a good meal. So let's get started. But this is a great meal for any night of the week. It's fast and simple and it's budget friendly. We have 1 head of cabbage chopped up, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 lengths of these sausages that we get at Sam's, or you could use any kind of these little sausages and even the smoked sausage. You'll be needing some butter. I've got a couple cloves of garlic minced up, some garlic powder, salt and pepper, paprika, and a few red chili flakes. This is just a simple, easy, southern fried cabbage and sausage recipe. Let's get started. We're going to start by putting us around 4 tablespoons of butter in our skillet. And you want to use real butter. You don't want to use margarine. Now let your butter start melting down. Okay, the first thing we're going to add to our iron skillet, now that our butter's starting to get real good and hot, we're going to add our onion in there first. And I'm going to let that cook just for a few minutes. And then we're going to add our sausage. I'm going to go ahead and add a little salt and black pepper. I'm adding my sausage in. I'm adding my minced garlic. Oh, it's starting to smell good, y'all. Smells like your granny's old-timey Southern cooking kitchen. You y'all remember how your granny's kitchens used to smell? Boy, I do. I wished I could bring those days back. I'd love to see my granny standing at the stove cooking all of us something to eat, even if it was just a canned biscuit. They used to eat a lot of those little canned biscuits when I was little. Okay, now I'm going to start adding my cabbage. And that looks like a lot, but it's going to cook down. And it'll cook down a lot. And now to steam it just a little, you'll put about 1/2 cup of water. So it can start steaming and cooking down. And now we're going to put the lid on it and let it cook for around 15 minutes. We're going to put the lid on it and let it keep steaming for around another 10 minutes. That's been around 5 minutes right there, and see how much it's already cooked down? And to go with that, we're going to make us a broccoli casserole. Just a simple, easy broccoli casserole. Okay, y'all, to mix my casserole up in, I'm going to use the pot that I boiled my broccoli in. I'm just going to use that same pot to mix it in so I don't dirty up another dish. We're going to start by adding our egg. And then we're going to add about a cup of cheddar cheese. Around a cup of sour cream. And about a half a cup of Duke's mayonnaise. And 1 can of cream of mushroom. I usually like to make my own homemade creams of soup, but I've got this one that needs to be used up, so I'm going to go ahead and use it today. And then this is the secret ingredient to your broccoli casserole. You need to add just a little bit of chicken bouillon. It gives the broccoli casserole a great flavor. And we'll be adding about probably maybe a teaspoon. And if you like, you could add beef bouillon, but today we're using chicken bouillon in our casserole. And then I'm going to add just a couple, not much, flakes of red pepper. About a teaspoon of black pepper. Salt to taste. And about a teaspoon of garlic powder. And now we're just going to give all that a good mix. Go ahead now and preheat your oven to 350. And we're just going to give that skillet a good spray because we don't want our casserole to stick. And now we're just going to take our broccoli mixture, our casserole, and put it in our iron skillet. Now we'll just even that broccoli out in there. And I pre-steamed my broccoli, so this will not have to cook for long, maybe around 30 minutes. And into that, we're going to add us some French fried onions. I love buying these and keeping them for the pantry. They're good to have. They go make any kind of casserole good. And they're even good to eat on a salad. If y'all hadn't ever tried that, you ought to give it a try. And now we'll put this in the oven and we're going to bake it for around 30 to 35 minutes. We're cooking this to go with our cabbage and sausages. Boy, it's going to be good, y'all. This was a quick and easy, budget-friendly Sunday dinner. And if you think you're going to try this, leave us a comment down below and tell us what else you might put with it. Right here, we're fixing to sit down at the table, and we're having our broccoli casserole, our cabbage and sausage with onions, a pepper, and some Georgia peaches. What more could you ask for a Sunday dinner? Okay, y'all, I hope you enjoy our video on this old-timey fried cabbage with sausage and onions with a broccoli casserole. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.